The cremation jewelry you purchased showed up in the mail today. You open up the package and then realize you don't know how to fill your cremation jewelry. Ideally, the seller would have included steps to do this, but sometimes little things get missed. So we're here to tell you how to fill your cremation jewelry. Hi, I'm Dave Blake, the owner of Spirit Pieces Memorials. We sell a wide range of cremation jewelry, so we have deep experience with this topic and often get asked it by prospective customers. First, some definition. What is cremation jewelry? Cremation jewelry is a pendant, ring, bracelet, or charm that holds a small, symbolic amount of cremated remains inside a hidden chamber. It's a discreet and personal way to keep a loved one close. Before you start, you'll want to gather these items. Your cremation jewelry piece. Cremated remains. Small funnel, usually included with your jewelry. Small spoon or scoop. Clean, flat workspace. Optional, tissue or small container to catch spillage. An important tip? Work slowly and mindfully. Most jewelry holds only a pinch, not a full spoonful.
How to fill screw-top cremation jewelry.
Step 1. Locate the chamber opening. Your jewelry likely has a small threaded screw at the bottom, back, or side. Gently unscrew it counterclockwise using a small screwdriver. Step 2. Insert the funnel. Place the small funnel into the opening. This prevents spillage and makes filling cleaner. Alternatively, you can use a cut-down straw, which is the approach I like to use. Step 3. Add the cremated remains. Using your small spoon, gently scoop a tiny amount of ashes, roughly the size of a pinch or a small pea. Pour slowly through the funnel into the chamber. If you're using the straw approach, you can load up some cremation ash above the tip and then tip the straw down, or move the ashes with the tip of the straw. Step 4. Check the level. Most chambers are small. You'll fill only a small fraction of the interior. Stop when you feel you have a meaningful amount. You don't need it to be full. Step 5. Seal the opening. Remove the funnel. Wipe any excess ash from the threading. Screw the cap back in clockwise until snug, not too tight, as you may want to open it again in the future. If you're having problems sealing a screw, it likely means you've overfilled, where there's a little grain of cremation ash in the thread. Some sellers recommend a tiny drop of thread locker, like Loctite, to ensure it stays sealed during daily wear. Ask your seller if this is recommended for your piece.
How to fill twist-top cremation jewelry.
Step 1. Locate the twist chamber. Your jewelry has a chamber with a twist-to-open cap, usually at the top of the pendant or charm. Step 2. Twist counterclockwise gently. Grip the main piece and twist the cap slowly to the left. It should open without force. If resistance occurs, try a gentle back-and-forth motion rather than continuous twisting. Step 3. Insert the funnel. Place your small funnel into the chamber opening. Step 4. Add the cremated remains. Using your small spoon, gently scoop a small amount of ashes. Pour slowly through the funnel. Again, a pinch is often enough. And as mentioned above, an alternative is using a cut-down straw to manage the ashes. Step 5. Close the chamber. Remove the funnel. Wipe the threading clean. Twist the cap back clockwise until snug. You should hear or feel a slight click or resistance when it's seated properly. For screw tops specifically, we do suggest adding a drop of superglue or epoxy onto the threads before sealing to fully secure.
After you fill, care and wearing.
For daily wear. Remove your jewelry before showering, swimming, or sleeping to protect both the piece and its contents. Swimming especially, you should take your jewelry off. If you're in the ocean, this applies really to all jewelry. Most jewelry does not like saltwater or chlorine. Check the seal periodically, especially if you opened it to refill. If you ever want to refill, most pieces with threaded or twist closures can be reopened. Just work slowly and carefully as some ashes may have settled. If you've superglued it shut, a little bit of acetone can help, but you do risk damaging the silver. If you spill a small amount, this is common and okay. Ashes are not hazardous. Gently wipe the area and continue.